If your feet burn at night, or if your toes feel numb during the day, or if you get sharp electric zaps out of nowhere, don't scroll, because what I'm about to share explains why neuropathy gets worse after 60, and how the right kind of movement can protect irritated nerves before permanent damage sets in. This isn't about pills. This isn't about masking pain. This is about using movement to keep nerves alive while you still can. By the end of this video, you'll know why many seniors unknowingly make their neuropathy worse every day, why walking alone is often not enough, and the one simple foot exercise nerve specialists emphasize for restoring circulation to damaged nerves. Quick question before we start. Do you currently feel numbness, tingling, or burning in your feet or hands? And were you told nerve damage can't be improved? Drop yes or no in the comments. We read every single one. 5 ankle pumps. The movement most people skip. This one looks too easy to matter, but it's one of the most important movements after 60. Here's what most people aren't told. Your nerves are living tissue. They survive on oxygen-rich blood. When circulation slows, nerves start to suffocate. After 60, blood flow to the lower legs naturally drops. Long periods of sitting plus weaker muscles. Blood pooling in your feet. That's when tingling, burning, and numbness begin. Ankle pumps fix this problem at the source. They activate your calf muscles, which act like a pump that pushes blood back up to the heart, delivering oxygen to irritated nerves. How to do it? Sit or lie down. Pull toes toward you. Point them away. Slow and controlled. 15-20 reps per foot multiple times per day. Organizations like the National Institutes of Health highlight simple circulation movements like this for older adults because consistency beats intensity. This is also why walking alone isn't enough. Walking doesn't activate this pump the same way. 4 calf raises your second heart. Your calves act like a second heart. Every time they contract, they push blood upward against gravity. When calf muscles weaken with age, blood pools in your leg, and nerve tissue slowly starves. How to do it? Stand holding a chair or wall. Lift heels slowly. Pause. Lower slowly. 10 reps, build to 2-3 sets. A 2023 clinical study found calf strengthening improved blood flow to peripheral nerves by over 30% in just 8 weeks. This is massive for neuropathy prevention. Layer 3 ankle rotations, keeping blood from getting stuck. Your ankle is a narrow highway for blood vessels and nerves. When it stiffens, circulation slows. Ankle rotations restore mobility and gently pump blood through tight spaces. How? Rotate each ankle in slow circles 10-15 clockwise, then reverse. Do this morning and night. Research referenced by Harvard Medical School shows even gentle ankle movement reduces blood pooling in older adults. But 2. Toe curls, targeting nerves directly. Your feet have more nerve endings per square inch than almost anywhere in your body. Toe curls activate the tiny muscles that surround damaged nerves. How? Barefoot curl toes as if grabbing the floor. Hold 5 seconds, relax 10 reps per foot twice daily. A study from the University of Michigan found toe curls increased blood flow to foot nerves more than walking alone. This also retrains balance nerves, which reduces fall risk. 1. Toe spread squeeze, the nerve healing trigger. This is the exercise nerve specialists don't skip. Toe spread and squeeze activates 20+ intrinsic foot muscles at once, creating the strongest circulation boost directly where neuropathy damage happens. Researchers at Harvard Medical School found this movement increased blood flow to peripheral nerves by over 50%, lasting up to 90 minutes after just 3 minutes of exercise. How? Sit barefoot. Spread toes as wide as possible. Hold 5 seconds, then squeeze toes together. Hold 5 seconds. That's 1 rep. Do 10 reps per foot, twice daily. You may feel cramping at first. That's weak muscles waking up. It fades fast. The Mayo Clinic tracked older adults using this exercise for 16 weeks. Burning, 61%. Numbness, 47%. Falls, 58%. Nerve signaling improved in most participants. This is one of the few movements shown to actually improve nerve conduction speed. What to expect? Realistic timeline. Weeks 1 to 2, muscles wake up. Weeks 3 to 4, burning begins to calm. Weeks 5 to 8, tingling fades. Weeks 9 to 12, balance plus sensation noticeably improve. Final takeaway. Neuropathy worsens when nerves lose blood supply. These 5 movements keep blood flowing where nerves are dying. If you only do one, do toe spread squeeze. Your turn. Which exercise are you starting today? And what bothers you more? Burning, numbness, or fear of getting worse? Drop it in the comments. We read everyone.